special marine warning for coastal waters from Edisto Beach, South Carolina to Savannah, Georgia, out 20 nautical miles until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along the line from near Calabogie Sound to over Channel Buoy 5, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Gaskins Bank Wreck, Gaskin Banks, Fish America, Hilton Head Reef, Whitewater Reef, General Gordon, Beaufort 45 Feet Reef, Calabogie Sound, Betsy Ross Reef and Savannah River entrance. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.